Mukoro gw'okutongoza w'empaka z'omupiira gw'ebigyere hagati y'enganda z'obukama bwa Tooro omuhikirwa w'obukama bwa Tooro Armstrong Calvin Romire akyamiza ko omukama oyo Nnyimba Kabambi Gulu Wakana ayiireyo ettaka ly'okwombekawo ekishaayi ky'omulembe kya Buhinga Stadium.
Wow, thank you so much.
Omukama agabira itaka kandi basiima bagamba tuija kwongera mu amaani. So kuija kwa Minister of State for Education and Sports part of the process ya ministry kuija kurora ngo bagenda kurora pledge.
Romire agizire ngo bwahati ekyokusharamu kiri kurataho n'ekya gavumenti ya rwagati kusharamu neryari obwo arije kukoresa itaka eri.
Bagamba Buhinga twahika Buhinga itaka lyari litaito niko ka playground ya kwa kuhuru twagamba nangu katuseve plan ezindi niko neto tutunge kisaniro kirakutese kitinisa. So mukama yagaruka mweki tukatungire kantu ino kusima abakyambogo nabo local government yakabitwera itaka eri.
Ambrose Tashobya omukuru wa National Council of Sports asimira obukama bwa Tooro okwebembeza by'omuzaano kandi ayonjire yagira ngo gavumenti nezakora kyona kiri kubasika kwombeka ekishaayi ky'omulembe.
As National Council of Sports, we are committed to ensuring that the presidential directive that was given comes to fruition. Directive President Witu here depend the Kingdom Stadium to committed okureba until it's done.
Said Minister w'ebyemizano Honorable Peter Ogwang mukoro gw'okwanjulirwa itaka eri nagira ngu enteekateeka z'okwombeka ekishaayi kya Buhinga zitwire zizingami konka bo batungira itaka eri gavumenti neeza kukora ogwayo.
Buhinga, which we all know, has taken some time. From the ministry's perspective, all the plans in terms of the feasibility studies were undertaken.
Said Minister Ogwang yashobora ko stadium neeza kwombekwa itaka erirabeereho.
And also depending on the land. I hope I'm clear here. Because sometimes you give me small land, you want me to make heaven on earth. It's not possible. I will work according to the available land which you've given me.
Engineer Kateba Francis Divine or Minister w'ebyemizano omubukama bwa Tooro asimire gavumenti ahabwa enteekateeka y'ekishaayi.
Omuntu obe n'omutangana n'obashock noga neba w'oruganda rwange orora amahano. So omupiira guno gujja kutuyamba to know each other kandi oruganda rwawe kikuru muno.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Justin